Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the second lesson. I'm with you, Eddie Pro, audio mixing and mastering engineer. So, before we talk about Logic Pro, how to open Logic Pro. So, our lesson today, we want to look at some tools here. We need to know about it. How can we use them? Okay, so the first thing that you have to know today is those tools, those tools, not all, but I will show you the simple things that you have to focus on so that you can start working on your logic. Okay, so the first thing you have to know here is the recording tool. Here, this is where you can record your vocal. Okay, when I click here, the recording will start. Okay, I will start record my voice. Okay, I'm not connecting my mic because I'm using different mic now. That's why you are not seeing any wave on my recording. So guys, this is how to record. Okay, so you want to play your recording, this is your play. You want to start from the beginning, just click here, it will start from the beginning. Okay, this is the recording tool. Okay, and this one is just a uh, moving meter, is just to move those bars. Okay, so and another thing is very important here is tempo. Keep tempo. This is the tempo. Okay, so the tempo is the time per minute or time per second. Okay, so if you want to create any type of beat, it has a certain type of tempo. Like, you have to choose a right tempo. Even in recording, you have to adjust your tempo so that you can record, and it will help you in copy of your recording to the next bar and something like that. So tempo is very important. And if you want to start recording and the artist is about to sing, the moment the beat start, what can you do? So you have to select these numbers. Okay, 1 bar, 2 bars. This is the click bars, like it will click before recording so that you get ready for recording. Like when I put it like this, you hear it will count 4 or 2, then it start recording. So that's what I mean by this tool here is count in. Okay, you count before you start recording so that an artist will be ready to record. Okay, those are the important tools that you have to know. If I want to cut my wave, imagine I recorded something, this is my recording, I want to cut some of it. How can I cut some of this one? There's no tool here. Okay, so I have to go here. This is my tools. Those are my tools. Eraser, it deletes. Okay, pencil, it for notes. Like if I'm playing piano, I want to play with just putting the notes, I will use pencil. Eraser tool, text, you want to put some text on your bars or something. And this one, they are not mostly used, but it it has some short forms that help you. I will show you later when we are doing some really hard work. So I will let you know all about this. Those are those are the main things here. the cutter. Okay, you cut when you the saucer. This tool is for cutting. When I select it, you see, I can cut my wave. Okay, it's used for cutting wave. Okay, those are the most used tools in Logic, and this one sometime and not always, but those are the main tools that mostly used. Like this one is just for moving wave, this pencil is for putting notes, and this one is for erase. You see, you can delete this, and this one is for text if you want to put some text on your recording wave. And this one glue, solo, mute. Those are the things that you can press it on your keyboard. M and S is for mute and solo. Zoom is just Z in your keyboard, and those are the tools. So we will get into that later, so let's focus on the other things. This is the solo. Okay, so something that you have to know here, what is this? This is the loop. When I play, when it gets to that position, it will repeat itself. You see, so this here is the most used tools in Logic, in Logic Pro. So it's for loop. If I want to create loop in one bar, I will create it like this in 2 bars. This is how my loops is. So I want to put loops here. It's here. Just right click and drag, okay, to the position you want your loop to be. So those are the most used tools that we're gonna use it every day, guys. Okay, those are the most important tools. Some of them we're gonna look into it when we are working on something later. Okay, so I hope I don't have to explain everything today. Now you know how to record, how to cut your wave, how to play it, and how to to where tempo is. I will show you how to set your tempo. Tempo is just simple. You can just click here and drag to adjust which tempo you want. Okay, but getting the tempo of a beat or something, we're gonna look into that next time, or next when we get into deep production, then we're gonna learn about that. Okay, so I hope you guys learn something. uh, i got I got a lot to teach you, but I don't want to be too much, because too much lesson, it will go away from your mind. It will fade. It will delete. Or I don't know what to say, but it will not be keep. You will not keep it in your mind. Okay. So guys, I hope you learned something today. Our count in, and this one is tempo. When you can't hear your tempo, you can just click here. You see, you can hear now the tempo is clicking. When you off, it's not clicking anymore, because this is good for creating beat, because you will go on time. Okay, so before you put your kick and snares, you can play your piano with just this tempo. So guys, those are the most important things. I hope you gonna revise all those things. Try to repeat the video until you get all those tools I showed you today. And this most important thing that you have to know today also is here. Zoom, how to zoom your wave. Okay, this is the zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this is how to make it large, enlargement. Okay, so those are the most important tools that I myself, I use it every day in my session, in my recording, in my creating beats. Okay, so guys, I don't have to teach you everything here today, so we can let the rest of the thing next time. Now you learn how to press recording, play it. Here you can get your loop. If you can't see it, just click and drag, you'll get it. Or it's here. Okay, cycle is here. Cycle means repeating. Okay, so and we learn about count in and the clicking part here, and the tempo and the loops. Those are the main thing that I I teach today, like recording, playing, moving the recording to the left and right, and this one will bring it to the left and start it from the beginning. Okay, so guys, I hope you learned something amazing today. So you have to go and revise those things and get ready for the next video, guys. Okay, so I appreciate you. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I wish you're gonna be a best producer. Okay, see you next time.